Hi students, this is Dr. Badrinath. Today we will see very funny topic. Very funny topic. Not only funny topic, it is very important topic also for all the examination, regular as well as the competitive examinations. Drugs using for constipation. See the spelling, constipation. Okay. See, first day you didn't went toilet. Second day no. Third day no. Fourth day also no. Then it confirms your constipation. It confirms your constipation. See name constipation. Constantly you are not going to motion is called as a constipation. Like that easily you can remember. Constantly you are not going to motion, right? Okay. And here I have shown you the very popular brand, that is a Dalcolax. It clears all your pending work. 4 days, 5 days, not only 4-5 days. This clears all the pending work. Last year also, if is there any pending, it will be cleared. Very wonderful tablet, single tablet, overnight relief. Dalcolax. It is a laxative. Keep in your mind. There are two things are there: laxatives, purgatives. See here, laxative, Dalcolax. Okay, it consists of a drug, bisacodyl. Bisacodyl. See here, bisacodyl. A gentle cleaning and a dependable constipation relief. You will get very excellent. 25 tablets will be there. Overnight relief. Okay, you can suggest your grandmother or grandparents. Generally, it is coming the geriatric patients, right? Okay. So we are moving as per the syllabus. Here you can see drugs for the constipation, and in the next video we will cover the diarrhea. This is my mobile app, Safe Pharmatrix for examination. So 99% I am offering free bumper offer now. Okay, later I may increase so that so after you can be download from the Google Play Store. Everything, all my presentations, all my notes, I will keep here. I will keep here. Okay. So after downloading it, open the app, go to the stores option. See here, store option. Okay. So it shows all the my courses, what I am offering: M-Pharmacy, Pharmaceutics, B-Pharmacy, Pharmady. All these are the top selling courses. You can be purchased just nominal cost. 1% only I am collecting. 99% free for students only. Okay. So you download it app immediately. All my presentations you can view there. This is my YouTube channel that you know very well. In my YouTube channel, all my videos will be available. Playlist, you go to playlist. There I have arranged all the things in the subject wise. Whichever subject you want, you can be watch from here. Okay, like this pharmacology one, social and preventive pharmacy. If you keep pharmacology one here, again you will get a full list of subjects. Okay, playlists. Okay, right. So constipation, what is this constipation? Occurs when bowel movements become less frequent. Bowel motions becomes less frequent, and stools become difficult to pass. Very difficult to pass. See the pain, how he is feeling very painful for this one. So constipation is nothing but less than 3 bowel movements per week. Actually, daily one move will be there. 24 hours, one move. So 7 moves actually we are expecting. But here in the constipation, you will get a 3 or less than 3 bowel moves per week. So then you can declare the constipation. Reasons is changes in diet, food habits, very important. Inadequate intake of the fiber food. Healthy food you have to take. Okay, unhealthy food if you are taking like this, it is very difficult. Fiber food you have to take. This is unhealthy food. Insufficient water taking, drinking of insufficient water. All this leads to constipation. Laxatives and purgatives we are using to treat the constipation. So laxatives, purgatives are the drugs that promotes the evacuation, emptying, evacuation of bowels. It is nothing but intestine. Okay. Laxatives, purgatives. Also laxatives are also called as a epirine. Purgatives also called as a cathartic. Very, very important bits. These are number of times it was appeared. This is a milder action, laxative, luxury, mild, smooth. Okay, everything is smooth. Whereas a purgative is stronger action. Stronger action. Elimination of the soft stools, luxury, soft stools, but formed stools. Here, elimination of the more fluid stools also, just like watery fluids you will get. Okay. Many drugs, this is very important point. Many drugs in the low doses acts as a laxative, and in the high doses it acts as a purgative. Okay. Right. And this is a classification. 4 are there. Very, very important. From this only there will be an examination in the GPAT questions. All competitive examination like a drug inspector, analyst post, RRB, all the questions are from here. Number of questions, number of times are appeared from this page only. Bulk forming. Example, dietary fiber, bran. I will tell you how to remember all these things. So totally 4 are there. Bulk forming, stool softener, stimulant purgatives, osmotic purgatives. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. This slide is very, very important. Very important. They will ask you what is find the bulk forming purgative. Okay, methyl cellulose. Okay, they will give like this. Anthraquinone, Senna, Tascara sagrada. Number of things are there. Okay, very, very important. Very, very. So first we will see bulk forming. See here, bulk forming. B. Keep in your mind IBM. IBM. B means bulk, like that. IBM is very software company, very popular company that we know very well. I stands for Ispagula. Ispagula. B stands for bran. Bran, not brain. This is brain. This is bran. Bran. And psyllium. It's not much important. M stands for methyl cellulose. Ispagula, bran, methyl cellulose. So what is this? All these things like that you can remember. Bulk IBM. Okay. It is a mechanofaction is in the intestine. They absorbs the water. All this bran or whatever it may be. All these absorbs the water and retains the water in the intestine. So in the intestine, the bulk will be formed. Bulk motion will be formed. Okay, that is the that's why this is called a bulk forming. It forms the bulk. Okay, in the intestine, they absorbs the water, swells it, and thus it forms a heavy bulk. So that smoothly it comes. Bran. What is the meaning of the bran? It is an outer coating of any flour, like a rice bran, like a rice coating layer, outer layer, like a dal bran. Bran is nothing but any flour consists of outer layer bran. That is called as a bran. Very, very important. It is a residual product of the flour industry. Like rice industry, rice bran will come. Dal industry, dal bran will come. It is a wastage product actually, but it is very important. So it contains the around 40% of the dietary fiber. See, that's why we are removing everything polished rice we are eating. Okay, 40% dietary fiber. It is a dietary fiber, contains the unabsorbable cell wall. Very important. Unabsorbable cell wall. Do not absorb into the GIT, from GIT into the blood. It retains in the GIT, it absorbs the water, it swells it, it forms the bulk. Okay, and this is a Ispagula husk. See, just like a Ispagula seeds, if you keep it in a water, it swells. So it absorbs the water, it retains the water. These are the Ispagula husk. It is available here. And see, this is a rice bran oil. I'm not saying just to see the rice bran. This is bran. Okay. Methyl cellulose. We can see this is a methyl cellulose structure. So like this, we can remember mechanism of action also. Number of times it was appeared in GPAT examination. Stool softener, number 2. See, yes, double S come, here also double S. Stool become a soft. Liquid paraffin, liquid is soft only, like that you can remember. Liquid paraffin. DOSS, what is DOSS? Docusate. Dioctyl sodium sulfosuccinate. More than 20 times it was appeared in the examination. It is an anionic detergent. This is also very important. Anionic detergent. it accumulates the water in the intestine. Okay, it acts on the intestinal mucus layer. Emulsification of the fecal matter. Okay, stool softener. Your stool will become soft. Okay, right. So here decussate. See here decussate calcium. Okay, gentle relief of the constipation. Take once a day. Liquid paraffin. Here you can see liquid paraffin for children. They are giving in infants. It is a viscous liquid mixture of the petroleum hydrocarbons. Very important. Very, very, very important. The small bits only they will appear. They will ask in the examination. Next, stimulant purgatives. See, phenolphthalein, diphenyl methanes. These are the diphenyl methanes, like a phenolphthalein indicator. Yes, indicator. Whenever there was a constipation, you take 1 drop of 1 or 2 drops of the phenolphthalein. Yeah, see, phenolphthalein is wonderful indicator that we know alkali. It shows the pink color. Bisacodyl. Here I have already told. Dulcolax. Bisacodyl is a drug. Sodium picosulfate. This is sodium picosulfate oral solution. See, number of products are available in the market readily. We don't know actually. Next, anthraquinone. Anthra. Keep in your mind. Anthra is mantra. Quinone. Queen. Manthraquine. What is this? Senna. Very important in all examinations. Very Senna. This is Senna leaves. Excellent for purgatives like this. Cascara sagrada. This is a cascara leaf. These are the products of the pharmacognosy. Next is fixed oil, like castor oil, like that. Okay. And what is this? All these belongs to diphenyl methane. This classification is very, very important. Diphenyl methane. These three. Okay. Diphenyl methane. Phenolphthalein. It is a litmus-like indicator. It turns the alkali urine into pink color. Whenever your urine is in the alkali, phenolphthalein, if you have taken, it gives the pink color. Next, bisacodyl. This is the most popular brand. Dulcolax. Bisacodyl. Sodium picrosulfate. It activates the myenteric nerves. Very important. Myenteric nerves. Used for colonoscopy and colonic surgery also they are using it. All these are the diphenyl methane one. Okay, right. Next, stimulant purgatives. What is the stimulant purgatives that we will see? This is stimulant purgatives mechanism of action. Powerful purgatives and produced even gripping also. This is also appeared in the GPAT question paper. Gripping irritates the intestinal mucosa. That's why this is called stimulant. It stimulates. It irritates mucosa, prostaglandin E2, mucosa, everything. It will be irritated. Stimulates the motor activity also. It inhibits the sodium potassium ATPase. Okay, at membrane, basolateral membrane, at Willis cells. Disadvantages is hypokalemia. Hypokalemia means reduction in the calcium. See, kalemia, calcium, potassium, not calcium, sorry. Hypokalemia. K stands for potassium. K. So decreased in the blood. There was a decreased. If you are taking these products regularly, there was a decreased calcium because it inhibits the sodium potassium ATPase. So this potassium will be decreased. Even they stimulate the uterus also, not only mucosa of intestine. So it leads to very dangerous. That's why don't give to the pregnancy. It is contraindicated in pregnancy. Otherwise, there is an abortion. Maybe there may be premature baby will be come out. Next, osmotic purgatives. Osmosis. Osmosis, very wonderful concept. The video is available in my channel playlist. Okay, osmosis. How to remember all these magnesium salts? So here I have given a code. LMNO. Okay, that sequence word. LMNOPQRST. All sequential words you have to keep in your mind. LMNO. O stands for osmotics. Osmotics. N stands for sodium salts. M stands for magnesium salts. L stands for lactulose. You can see lactulose here. Lactulose. L. Magnesium salts like Epsom salt. Here you can see Epsom salts. Magnesium salt. Milk of magnesia. Wonderful. So magnesium salts like sulfate, hydroxide, sodium salt, sulfate. Number of times this is also appeared. Osmotic purgatives. It retains the water. Solutes that not absorbed in the intestine. It retains in the intestine only. It absorbs the water which is present in our body, okay, and it makes the stool softer. Lactulose, it is a semi-synthetic disaccharide. This is also appeared. Find the semi-synthetic disaccharide from the following purgatives. It was appeared. Magnesium sulfate, also called as Epsom salt. What is the meaning of Epsom salt? Epsom salt is nothing but magnesium sulfate. Very important. Magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia. Magnesium hydroxide. This is magnesium sulfate. Like that, sodium sulfate, Glauber salt. Number of times it was very important and appeared in GPAT question paper, all competitive. Rochley salt, sodium, potassium, tartrate, tartar, like that you can remember. Rochella, tartar. Okay, it relatively present tasting sodium, potassium, both are there. Like that, you have to practice all these things. So I will end my session here. Okay, download the app, immediately purchase the course.